Hi guys, in this video I'll show you a payment proof from SHRINKEARN URL Shortener provided kindly by DevNagy, a publisher who is a friend of mine for a long time now. We go to the channel, URL Shortener Reviews. This is the channel. Quick presentation for those of you who are watching my video for first time. In this channel I'm posting videos for payment proofs posted by members of shortenerview.com forum. Go there, register, and when you receive a payment from a shortener, make a screenshot and attach it in a new topic. So in the weekend I'll make a video about your payment, and in the video description I'll include your referral link. So don't forget to include your referral link in the post as well. And we hope that this way you receive some referral money in addition to your earnings. Just thanks for your cooperation. Now from here we will go to the forum shortenerviews.com. In your right corner of the video you're watching, you see a button, red button, subscribe. Hit it to subscribe and stay updated for the latest payment proofs. And this is the forum. From this button you can register. Now let's open the SHRINKEARN topic from DevNagy. Here it is. This is his withdrawal history page, the amount, the date of the withdrawal, and this is the transaction details. As you can see, the admin of SHRINKEARN included a comment with the payment. So this is the amount and this is his username. I'm not able to see the date, but it's obvious it is the same amount. So I want to say thank you to my friend DevNagy. Thanks, bro, for your proof. I hope you get some referrals from this video. I'll include your referral link in the video description as I promise, and keep up posting your latest payments. Thanks again, bro. Bye to all of you.